So hey there everybody, as always, welcome to the channel and thanks for stopping by. My name is Rich and I'm the channel host. And today I am wearing the flannels because it is actually chilly outside, 31 degrees Fahrenheit this morning. And so that was a little chilly, just below freezing. Now, when I think of cooler temperatures, I think back to my time in New England and I think about all of the different festivities coming up at this time of year. And the first one upcoming, of course, is Thanksgiving. So that's why we've got a turkey up here. Now, we don't have any turkeys in our neighborhoods, and what we do have is more like this, road runners. So I don't think road runners are really part of the official holiday season, but hello, road runner, we're glad to have you here. Now, what we do think of beyond Thanksgiving and the whole holiday season is we also think about Black Friday. So all the big sales coming out. My email inbox has been filling up every day with different Black Friday offers, and that's pretty cool. But, I got some things to sort through in the mornings. No, we don't spam or email our subscribers on YouTube. Instead, we just put announcements up on YouTube, and it's that time of year for us as well to run our Black Friday sale. So let's click on over here, and here we are at classes.azdrone.net. And if you scroll down, we have our featured courses at azdrone.net. And this year, we're running a special on our Arizona Drones Complete Class Bundle. Let me go ahead and click on that. And we're actually doing 40% off of the listing price for 18 of our classes all together. So this right here is our class bundle. And if you scroll on down, you can find out everything in the course bundle. Once again, we're going to be doing 40% off on this class bundle with 18 classes through December 1st. And I'll let you read through each of the classes, but I just wanted to show you. So normally listed at $275, we're going to be taking 40% off of that with our coupon code Black Friday 2023. You'll also find the direct link to the class bundle right down below, along with the coupon code as well. So what is in this class bundle? Well, first, our post part 107. Once you've passed the part 107, what are you going to do? Well, this one's going to walk you through some of the ideas that we've generated over the years, and it goes beyond just having your commercial drone pilot certification. So what happens after that certification? Well, there's a lot of software, a lot of hardware, and a lot of options for you. We try to help you sort all of that out. After that, we do our drone construction progression reporting. We show you our workflow that we use for most of our client sites. And of course, the next one, make money with your drone. And actually, this one's a pretty fun one. You can see several examples of the types of things we do to make money with our drones. Now, I'm not going to read through all of these to you. That'll get boring, but you can take a read on through. These are all the courses that are offered in our class bundle. And we also even get into some terrestrial imaging with 360 images and 360 tours as well, because a lot of our clients like those, and your clients might like those as well. So in keeping it short, we're running our Black Friday sale through December 1st of 2023. And once again, 40% off for the whole class bundle. Now, if you're just interested in standard classes, just one class at a time, those classes are all marked down 20% off with the coupon code 20%, which is listed down below as well. And finally, before you purchase any of our courses or our class bundles, I do want to remind you that we do offer previews to each of the classes so you can get an idea of my teaching style, my instruction, and the content that we're delivering to you. So, creating custom web pages for our drone clients. You will see that we have 2 previews before you actually get into the full class. We do that with each of our classes, so let's arrow back really quick here, and we'll just show you make money with your drone. And when we scroll on down here, we have several previews beforehand, and then we get you into all of these different projects that we've done over the years and give you an idea of what you can do to make money with your drone. And it doesn't have to be just exactly what we're showing you we're doing, but this is to help you get your creative ideas going to build your drone business as well. And with all that said, we hope you have a really awesome Thanksgiving with family and friends, and that you don't get too overwhelmed with the crazy Black Friday season.